Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Tripathi and I am intern at Lexis and Company. Today's my topic is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which guarantee to all the citizens they are applied without any discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender. Why are they called the fundamental rights? These are the rights are called a fundamental right because of two reasons. They are the inherent in the constitution which guarantees them. Second, they are the justiciable enforceable by the courts. In the case of violation, a person can approach a court of law. There are the six fundamental rights of Indian constitution. First, right to equality, article 14 to 18. Right to freedom, article 19 to 22. Right against exploitation, article 23 to 24. Right to freedom of religion, article 25 to 28. Cultural and education right, article 29 to 30. Right to constitutional remedies, article 23. Right to equality, article 14 to 18. Right to equality guaranteed equal rights for everyone in respective of religions, caste, gender, race, is or place of the birth. It's ensure equal employment of opportunity in the government and ensure against discrimination by the state in the matter of employment and on the basis of caste and religion. Second article of second right to freedom, article 90 to 22. Freedom is the one of the most ideals cherished by the any democratic society. The Indian constitution guarantees freedom to citizen. The freedom right includes many rights such as freedom to speech, freedom to expression, freedom to assemble without arms, freedom to association, freedom of practice any profession, freedom to reside any part of the country, and right to life, article 21. Third, right against exploitation, article 23 to 24, or the right implies in the prohibited in traffics in human and beings, bigger and other form of the forced labor. It also implies in the prohibition of children in factories. The constitution prohibited in the employment of children under 14 years as a condition. Right to freedom of religion, article 25 to 28. The incident and the circular nature of the Indian polity, there are the equal respect given to all the religion. There are the freedom of the science profession, practice and the propagation of the religion. The state has a no official religion. Every person has the right to freely practice in his or her faith. Cultural and education right, article 29 to 30. These rights are the protect the rights of the religion, culture and linguistic minorities by the facilitating them and the presence their heritage and culture. Education right are the ensuring the education for everyone without any discrimination. Right to constitution remedies, article 32 to 35. The constitution guarantees the remedies if citizen fundamental right are the violated. If the government cannot infringe upon the curve everyone's rights. When these rights are the violated, the aggrieved any party can approach the court. Citizen even and they can go directly Supreme Court, which can issue rights enforcing fundamental rights. Thank you everyone.